Hello friends and welcome to another video. My name is Prasad Zadav and today I'm going to tell you something about minoxidil solutions. I have been using minoxidil solutions from 5 years and I am just using this brain top solution with Finisterine 5% solution minoxidil. But now I thought that I should change the solution just because of new minoxidil solutions available that are far more better in absorption. So here we are, I'm having this is Man Matters minoxidil solution in foam base. So what is the difference in foam base? Let's get out. Let's first do the unboxing. This is what we have. I've ordered it from Man Matters website around 700 rupees for this solution. This is Man Matters minoxidil solution 5% in foam base. So let's talk about foam base, why it is very essential to use foam base rather than using a alcohol based solution or any non-alcoholic solution also. So foam based minoxidil solution has greater absorption rate as compared to alcohol, and this does not leave any stickiness or like any kind of residue in your hair. So it is absorbed properly and you get better results as compared to a alcohol based solution. Some people also have some itching sensation after using a alcohol solution, but this thing does not give any kind of such kind of sensations. So without wasting any time, let's check it out. So let's open it. Here we have it. Why minoxidil solutions are used? Minoxidil solutions are used under doctor's prescription for basically male pattern hair loss or DHT prone hair loss. This can actually slow down your DHT prone hair loss to great extent and also regenerate some hairs on your scalp. So you may actually stop your hair fall and also increase the density of your hair. How it does it? It actually promotes the blood circulation to the hair follicles and thus increase your hair density and also prolong the anagen telogen phases, thus stopping your hair fall to a great extent. But this product needs to be used under doctor's prescription. You should not use it directly without any prescription because it is a prescription drug. So friends, now I am going to show you how it is different from a regular minoxidil solution, that is alcohol based minoxidil solution, this kind of. So as we can see, there is a tip over here and this is having safety notch. Once we start using it, how we have to use it? Just use your dry hair, and we used to use it like this, like spraying it from some angle to give maximum penetration. So use this solution like this, aim it on your scalp and press through 2 to 3 times. So foam, you can see it's generated. Apply it evenly and you can see that my most of the area that has been applied with the use of the foam. Don't waste any foam. It's just like your shaving foam. So take it, press it, apply the foam on the area properly so it is absorbed properly onto your scalp. Don't apply it on your hair, you need to apply it on your scalp areas properly. Now here it's remaining, just hold it like this, press it, apply it properly on your scalp. Don't apply it on wet hair also, apply it on dry hair. It's very necessary to apply it on dry hair. See, don't waste any. Gently massage on your head for a few minutes, and if you feel that some area is left out, you can always don't use more than 2 to 3 sprays on your head. Try to complete your area in 2 to 3 sprays and we are done for. This does not leave any smell nor any stickiness. It's really wow. I liked it. The best part is it does not leave any smell. So I'm going to use this for 1 month, and after 1 month I'm going to show you my results as compared to the previous results of my minoxidil 5% solution. So friends, how did you like this product? Please do check out if you like it. If you want to buy it, I'll put the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Good day.